Using the HubSpot Dashboard for data analysis. Welcome to today's video on using the HubSpot Dashboard for data analysis. In this video, we'll be exploring the various features and tools available in the HubSpot Dashboard that can help you make data-driven decisions for your business. The HubSpot Dashboard is a powerful tool that allows you to track and analyze key metrics such as website traffic, lead generation, and conversion rates. By using the dashboard, you can gain valuable insights into your business's performance and identify areas for improvement. One of the key features of the HubSpot dashboard is the ability to create custom reports. With custom reports, you can create tailored dashboards that show you exactly what metrics matter most to your business. For example, if you're a B2B company, you may want to focus on metrics such as lead volume and conversion rates. Another important feature of the HubSpot dashboard is the ability to set up alerts and notifications. With alerts and notifications, you can stay on top of key metrics and receive real-time updates on your business's performance. This can be especially useful for businesses that operate in fast-paced industries. In addition to custom reports and alerts, the HubSpot dashboard also includes a range of other features such as lead scoring, contact tracking, and email tracking. These features can help you to better understand your customers and tailor your marketing efforts to their needs. By using the HubSpot dashboard, you can gain a deeper understanding of your business's performance and make data-driven decisions to drive growth and success. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, the HubSpot dashboard is a powerful tool that can help you to achieve your business goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more marketing tips and tricks. Don't forget to like and comment below to let us know what you thought of the video.